Hey everybody, I'm going to replace the handles on my kayak. It's an Ocean Kayak Prowler 13, a little older model. The handles have dry rotted and it's time to replace them. I have some new Propel kayak handles and we're going to install them right now. So this was a pleasant surprise. The kayak has inserts and machine screws, and so I'm not going to use the screws that came with the Propel handles, but this is a Propel handle with 2 holes drilled. One has a screw in it, and of course the other end does too. And as long as everything matches up with those holes, meaning the distance between these two ports are the same, we're going to be really, really good. I'm going to put that together now. Well, that went about as smooth as anything boat-related can do. Nice. Good job, Ocean Kayak. We love those screw inserts. No rivets and no glue. Well, unlike most boat-related repairs, that was super easy and smooth, and it was so easy, I'm going to go ahead and replace the other handle on the opposite side, even though there's nothing wrong with it except age, which means, if I don't, it'll break on the very next trip. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. There's no need to film that, right? We don't need a super long video with repetitive information. So y'all have a great day. Get on the water, fish, 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 or whatever you do.